All right, guys, just cracking over my Brock's Performance exhaust system for that beauty right there, Kawasaki Z900RS. So as you can see, the box is already open. Let's get in here. You've got some very well laid out instructions by Brock's. Well done, fellas. We've got one set of head pipes, two sets of head pipes, flanges and a spring tool and a bracket, collector pipe, and the muffler. Now, they were cool enough to ship mine without the badge. It's up to me when I put this on there, but the look that I was going for is a complete flat black system to mimic basically what my dad had on his Z1. And you know, the last time I was making a video on this bike's exhaust, we weighed the stock system and it was 25 pounds. Let's go weigh all this stuff. Okay, guys, so the can, arguably the heaviest portion of this install, right at 2 pounds. All right, first collector pipe, about a pound. All right, call that a pound. All right, second set of pipes. Well, no surprise there, that's another pound. Okay, coming in for our third set of pipes. I'll let you take a wild guess what that ended up weighing. About a pound. And the bag full of flanges, and I even threw the Permatex that they give you in there, and it's about a pound maybe. I call it a pound. All right, guys, so you add that all together and it's about 6 pounds. In essence, you're saving 19 pounds off of your bike. Yeah, I'd say that's a pretty decent trade-off. So let's get started putting this thing on. Okay, guys, first things first, we're going to start getting those flanges installed. Get up underneath here to show you. Just now starting the process. Let me show you something real quick though, guys. So the way that these work, the belled end goes into the cylinder head and the straight end will go right into the header pipe. It'll be very obvious once you start in on this that that doesn't work. Header pipe goes into the flange, and that's why they include some ultra copper. That's just going to go just inside of here to help seal things up. Don't use a ton, a little dab will do you. Just coat it about 1/2 inch in. All right, guys, just get them on there hand tight. This isn't the time to start torquing them down. You're going to have to do a few adjustments as you go, but there you have it. Flanges are on. There's also a bracket that's mounted right underneath here. You can see the 2 spots on that oil pan, where one of these clippy guys was holding the wire back for the oxygen sensor. I'm pretty sure this would get in the way of the header when you're installing it. When you are doing this install, don't forget to remove this thing. If they're telling you to remove it, chances are it's going to get in the way.